Hi everyone, my name is Blaec Bejarano, and today I'm going to show you how to generate a Beamer template in LaTeX using CoCalc's AI assistant. You can see I'm at CoCalc.com and I'm inside of my first project. And what I'd like to do right now is head over to the flyout panel next to the plus new button. So I'll click on this arrow right here. And next to LaTeX document, I'll click on the AI assistant. Select my language model of choice. So there are various models available from OpenAI, Google, Mistral, and Anthropic. I'll use GPT 4.1. And from the drop-down menu where it says pick an example, you can select presentation, customize the prompt, see the estimated cost below, and click create LaTeX. And here is a quick preview. So once that's finished, you can click Save LaTeX. I'll close the flyout panel, and then you can continue to modify that Beamer presentation on the left. And here's that PDF preview. And when I'd like to present, I can download the PDF. And this is launching Adobe on my computer. And then, of course, I can use full screen mode and give my presentation. So that is just a quick tip and trick on using the CoCalc UI. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more, and I will see you next time. Thanks again.